find that during those times in between when I'm just like not talking to the guys and just staying behind a little bit or in front. This little narrow here, it's actually just on the way to the second portage. The last one was just a walk, but this one is going to be a little bit walking, I guess. Just trying some different strokes. The wind is coming in a little bit from my front left. So I need to jay quite a bit, which is fine. I'm not in a hurry. Just trying to be efficient and like find a nice position on the gunnel so I don't hit my knuckles all the time. I find when I'm trying to learn something, no matter if it was during my martial arts time in Japan or before in Brazil, if it's carving or leather work or anything, all of these things require a lot of trial and error, of course, but usually it's watching somebody who's really good at something. My masters and other people I've learned from, no matter what it was, I'm always trying to find somebody who's really good at something, and then rather than just listening to their explanations, and I'm not saying I'm not listening to them, but their explanations are of course extremely important. I just think that when somebody's good at something, you can learn so much by just imitating. So when I'm canoeing, I'm imagining Becky Mason, Bill Mason, this one native craftsman, I think his name was Caesar, in one of those old birch bark canoe videos, how you see him paddling at the end of the lake with those 60, 70 years of experience efficiently paddling. I'm imagining the short footages I know from Grey Owl. And everybody who is, in my opinion, and this is my personal opinion, a good canoeist. And I try to just mix what they show on their videos and everything, and what they're talking about in theory. That's what I'm trying, and then I just do it until I'm feeling like it looks the same. And surprisingly, most of the time, just plain imitating how much they rotate their bodies, where their hands stop and everything, gets you to the point where things all of a sudden work better. Especially in Iaido, the Japanese swordsmanship I've studied in Japan and I'm representing in Europe. It's all about stopping a certain movement somewhere, like you're stopping the tip of the blade on knee height, or stopping here or there, or like moving your legs or your base or something like that. So it really taught me how basically when I'm seeing like Becky canoeing, I'm just looking, where's her hand stopping, and I basically just use a reference point. So I'm okay, like her grip hand is stopping on her belly button level or something like that, and her arms rotate around like this and that much, and it's just like an image. And I guess different people learn differently. I just learn very easily by visual input rather than listening to something or reading something. I'm not good at reading stuff and actually capturing it, but if you show me something, I think it's the easier way for me to learn. And other people might be different, but it's just a little bit of a hint, maybe a little bit of an advice from somebody who's spending his whole life basically crafting and working with his hands and doing martial arts and stuff like that. And it's just my personal opinion. Please, like, don't guys think that I'm trying to be somehow too bossy about that or something. Wind picking up a little bit, and I can really tell like this narrow, not too long otter tail here. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time. Really love the Indian stroke and staying in the water with the paddle the whole time. You pry at the end, like if you're feeling like you need to do a little bit of J, just J, rotate. There's a lot of wind, so I J a little bit at the end. It doesn't have to be without any hesitation. So, and if you want to adjust again at the front, bring the paddle to the front and do a little bit of a draw. And switching to this shovel here. Moving some more water. Awesome aquatic style paddle. Heavy guide paddle. East Coast. But when you're solo canoeing and there's some wind coming up, and I position myself a little bit closer to the middle of the canoe, I was always able, even in the middle of lakes, to conquer the winds, which is really due to the paddle shape. It's just really amazing. It's like a beaver tail. It's like a beaver tail with a little bit of a pointy end and more of a drop shape. Ingenious paddle shape from those East Coast tribes. The Wabanaki Nation. Not trying to copy anybody, it's just respecting and cherishing these great designs, and I think that's part of bushcraft.